If you wanna know what's happening in the world of AI, then I gotta tell you Lou is your guy. He's got the scoop on all the latest AI trends. Come on, we're going live, join us, my friends. Lou's gonna show you the best AI tools. Don't get left out, you can't learn this shit in schools. AI Today, and it's coming your way. We're going live on YouTube and on LinkedIn, by the way.
Hey, what do you know? What do you say? It's Lou, and it's AI Today for May 20th. We're going live every day in May, and perhaps beyond that, perhaps. We'll see how it goes. Today, I just wanted to take a moment to give a shout out to my friends at Ecamm. Ecamm is the software that I use to go live, and it's really cool. I'll share my screen in a second and show you a little bit of behind the scenes with it. Very powerful software. They also have a fantastic community of people to help you with all that stuff. And I actually just had a lovely dinner with the marketing team at Ecamm. Shout out to Katie and the gang. So thank you for that. And within Ecamm, as you can see here, I can just basically go from one scene to the next. Oh, what's that? And share my screen or put in different calls to action or text, and just basically run a whole bunch of different kinds of scenes with various logos and overlays and things like that. So I can set all this up in advance, so I can just bounce from one screen to another fairly seamlessly. So that's where I got, start out with the timer. Let me see if I can share my entire screen and show you what I mean here. Oh, we can't actually see that screen right now, but hang on a minute. I'll have to show you some screenshots since it's not really showing up here. If I go to share screen, show current application, or show entire screen, I should have set this up ahead of time. Sorry about that. But that's all right. Entire screen. Here we go. So here you can see, not here, because I have to change it again to entire screen. There we go. All right, sorry about the glitch. So it's supposed to be sharing the entire screen, but it's not doing it. So the hell with it. All right, well, that's why we're here. We're experimenting. We're trying new things. We're seeing what works and what doesn't. But you'll just have to take my word for it that I am using Ecamm software to create different scenes and different overlays. And the neat thing about this is, having come from a television background and also being sort of a control freak, is I can set up all the different scenes almost like a slideshow, and then just pop from one to another, almost like you're in a TV show where you have different camera angles and different things on scenes. So I can share my screen, or share my full screen, or move me here or move me there. So it's just very versatile. I also have another camera here that I can go to my next camera. I can run videos.
At Descript, we've been building AI-powered tools for like 8 years.
Go to my other camera. So it's just a really powerful software that allows you to be very flexible, and you can do the stuff on the fly, or you can prepare it ahead of time. And that way, hopefully, if you've got your scenes set and everything set up properly, you can run this more like a TV episode. Although I'm jumping all over the place here just to show you the different scenes, you can really have it set out. It's like, okay, I'm going to come on, I'm going to do my intro, then I'm going to be on camera, then I'm going to share my screen. Okay, let's go to the share screen. And I'm just clicking the buttons to change scenes and go to a different scene. I can add lower thirds here that I can move around. I can move myself around. So I try to set everything up ahead of time and have everything under one theme or one brand. And that's how we do our lives every day. And we'll be live again tomorrow. And I'll show you some more behind the scenes stuff and share some more cool tools with you. I've been using the Lovable app quite a bit to create software from prompts. So I've got this new video sweet spot assessment based on my whole video sweet spot methodology. And this is really a pretty cool app where you can just start the assessment and answer a bunch of questions, and then at the end of the assessment, it will give you suggestions for what your video sweet spot is, or what is the best type of video for your particular situation and your particular business. So that's kind of cool. That was done with the Lovable app. They do have a fairly robust free version, which is great because it gives you basically 5 tokens a day. So I was using it so extensively that I had to eventually come back to I had to pony up for the paid version, which is $25 a month of the Lovable app. But it allows you to really create software from prompts, and you just tell Lovable what you want to create and what you want it to do, and it does a pretty damn good job. So I've created a few different apps here. I've done the Video Sweet Spot app. I've got a video script generator app, and they work remarkably well. So that's Lovable, and I'll share more about that tomorrow. Let me come back to my main screen here. Oops, what are we doing? Oh, there we go. Sorry, I have so many buttons here to press, and we're in sort of experimentation phase here, just trying to see how all the software works, how things work together, what looks good, what doesn't look good. But so far I've got my lovely little branding here for AI Today, so that's kind of cool. And we will be back again tomorrow with another episode. I'll show you a little bit more about Ecamm, and we'll dig some more into some really cool AI tools that you can use right away that are free and low tech, I guess I should say. So if you can create a prompt, you can now create software, among other things, and more about that tomorrow. So play us out, Fake Lou Dean Martin Guy.
If you want to know what's happening in the world of AI, then I gotta tell you, Lou is your guy. He's got the scoop on all the latest AI trends. Come on, we're going live, join us, my friends. Lou's gonna show you the best AI tools. Don't get left